In a valley where sunlight brushed the grass like gold, there lived a peacock named Aaron. His feathers were unlike any other, long, radiant, and painted with 1,000 shimmering eyes. When Aaron spread his tail, the valley seemed to pause just to admire him. Animals gathered every morning to watch his display. They gasped, they whispered, they praised. Aaron loved it. He stood on the highest rock, turning slowly, letting the light dance across his feathers. Each cheer fed his pride, and each gaze convinced him that he was meant to be seen. Not to move, not to soar, but to shine. Long ago, Aaron had learned how to fly. Not high like the eagle, nor far like the swan, but enough to cross cliffs, escape danger, and reach quiet places where no one watched. Yet as days passed and admiration grew, he flew less and less. Why fly when standing still earned more applause? One evening, an old crane approached him. "Beauty fades if it forgets purpose," the crane said softly. "Feathers are not meant only to be admired, they are meant to carry you forward." Aaron laughed, spreading his tail wider. "Why would I fly," he replied, "when I am already above everyone?" The valley echoed with praise. Seasons changed. The grass dried. The sky darkened. One night, a sudden wildfire raced through the valley, driven by fierce winds. Animals ran. Birds took to the air. Aaron tried to follow, but his wings were weak. Heavy feathers dragged him down. His muscles trembled, unfamiliar with the work of flight. He leapt again and again, panic tightening his chest, but his body no longer remembered what his pride had erased. At the edge of the valley, smoke thickened. Flames crept closer. With one desperate effort, Aaron forced himself into the air. He barely cleared the rocks, wings burning, breath ragged. He escaped, but not without loss. Many of his magnificent feathers were scorched, their colors dulled, their eyes closed forever. Days later, Aaron rested alone on a quiet hill far from the valley. No crowd followed him, no one applauded, but he practiced flying. Every morning he stretched his wings. Every evening he pushed himself a little farther. His feathers would never shine the same way again, but his wings grew stronger. And with strength came peace. When young birds later asked him why he no longer displayed his tail, Aaron answered gently, "Because beauty that demands attention can make you forget survival, and applause can be so loud that it silences growth." From that day on, Aaron flew more than he stood still. Moral: show-off consumes real skill. What you stop practicing, you slowly lose, no matter how beautiful it once made you appear. Growth begins with awareness. Like this video if you're ready to grow, and subscribe for more powerful lessons every week.